The short circuit current rating of a transformer is a critical parameter that determines the current that can flow through a transformer when a short circuit occurs. This current depends on the transformer's impedance and the voltage level. Here is a step-by-step guide to calculate it. Step 1. Gather required information. Transformer rating. The kVA or mVA rating of the transformer. System voltage. The voltage level at which the transformer operates. Impedance. That percent of O. The impedance of the transformer, typically given as a percentage. Step 2. Convert the transformer rating. If the transformer rating is given in mVA, convert it to kVA. \text transformer rating. kVA equals \text transformer rating mVA times 1000. Step 3. Calculate the full load current. Full load current of the transformer can be calculated using the formula I_text. Full load equals \froc text transformer rating kVA /SQRT 3 times text system voltage kV. This gives the current under normal operating conditions. Step 4. Calculate the short circuit current. Short circuit current I_text SC can be calculated using the transformer's impedance I_text. SC equals \froc I_text full load \text impedance %, where impedance % is divided by 100 if provided as a percentage. Example calculation. Consider a 2 mVA transformer with a system voltage of 11 kV and an impedance of 5%. Convert rating to kVA. \text rating kVA equals 2 times 1000 equals 2000. \text kVA. Calculate full load current. I_text full load equals \froc 2000 /SQRT 3 times 11 approx 105.05 text. To calculate short circuit current. I_text SC equals \froc 105.055 100 equals \froc 105.05 0.05 equals 2101 text. So, the short circuit current rating is approximately 2101 A. Error rate calculation. Error rate calculation is used in various fields, especially in statistics, machine learning, and signal processing, to measure the accuracy of a system. The error rate quantifies the proportion of incorrect predictions or classifications made by a model or system. Step 1. Define error type as false positives FP, incorrectly predicted positives. False negatives FN, incorrectly predicted negatives. True positives TP, correctly predicted positives. True negatives TN, correctly predicted negatives. Step 2. Calculate the total number of predictions. Total number of predictions is the sum of all possible outcomes. \text total predictions equals TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. Step 3. Calculate the error rate. The error rate is the ratio of incorrect predictions to the total number of predictions. \text error rate equals \froc FP plus FN \text total predictions. Step 4. Interpret the error rate. The error rate indicates poor performance of the model or system. Low error rate indicates good performance and accuracy of the model or system. Example calculation. Suppose a model is tested with 1000 instances, where it results in TP equals 700, TN equals 200, FP equals 50, FN equals 50. Total predictions. \text total predictions equals 700 plus 200 plus 50 plus 50 equals 1000. Error rate. \text error rate equals \froc 50 plus 50 1000 equals \froc 100 1000 equals 0.1. The error rate is 0.1 or 10%, meaning 10% of the predictions were incorrect.